My name is Nathan Byman. I am the president and founder of where we're at, which is Wolfram Manufacturing, located in Austin, Texas. Wolfram Manufacturing has kind of three primary business components. One is what we started and kind of our core is contract manufacturing. And then we have a second leg of our business, which is all the things for automating machining without robots. All the kind of care and engineering systems. So we distribute, we help people with those, and we use them fundamentally to make our operations better. And then the third leg is software to kind of rule all the systems. So we use that to watch the machines, watch the care and engineering systems, and that is something we created called OnTap. So all those work together to make a nice virtuous circle.
The Sagami S206 was our first Sagami machine. It was also our first venture into Swiss machines. It's been very productive for us. It immediately proved itself very effective at the work that we do. And it fit right into our approach to manufacturing with single piece flow. We like to put raw material in and get a finished part out. It allows us to do in-process checks and make on-the-fly adjustments very easily. We also brought on several TMA 8Fs. It's like a Swiss Army knife of machines, if you will, right? It gives us a lot of flexibility, the ability to develop processes quickly without a lot of dedicated turret-lathe setups.
You know, as we're moving through the machines and we've ended up with like the TMAs, which clearly we've appreciated and kind of rubber stamped those around. The work that it unlocks, or the type of work that it's doing, highly complicated little mill parts that we can bar feed. And that is kind of a winning combination for us. You can try and balance to get more spindles touching at a time to get a higher volume, but a lot of those situations you have to touch the process a lot more. And a big part of what we believe in and how we try and grow is to simplify the process. And the simpler the process can be, the better people we can find, it's more attractive to them. The better people makes us more efficient, so we can get even better people. It's again, another virtuous circle that something like this unlocks. Having a tool magazine and bar feeder lets us just keep on running. So if I have a process that can just keep on running, there's a lot of value in that.
Having the machines run by themselves, fully automated, is critical because people don't like standing in one spot all day. They like to move and think, and we hire people that think a little different and kind of have that engineering mindset. How do we make this whole process better? How do we make the part better? How do we help our customers? The next generation doesn't want to sit in front of a machine, so we need to step up and make it available for them.
Getting up to speed and getting all the service and support from Sagami in America has been absolutely painless. You guys have been great. We really appreciate all the support you've given.
Working with Sagamis, we've had great application support. When we're getting into something where the market hasn't served it yet with unique tooling, they've been great about actually connecting us with those people. So we've been trying some experimental tooling, and any issues we've had, they've really been over backwards to get down here, and they understand what we're trying to do and the uptimes we're trying to keep. And they've really worked hard to keep us going.